Today, live outside, training, sport. I'm walking 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps per day for 1 week. And after that, for, for the truth, guys, since Monday, I made 11,000 steps per day. Yeah. I hope everybody hear me. And yeah, so let's go for like 5 minutes of life because the 4G is so expensive here in Polynesia and it expire too fast, guys. You know, my love Monavaya is here. How are you, my love? Comment ça va, chérie? Je suis en train de sport 10 000 pas en live sur YouTube. On m'entend bien? C'est net le son sur le live ini ou pas? Carrément en live inconnu, ça veut dire quoi live inconnu? Si c'est un live inconnu, les abonnés américains ils vont pas y voir. Vas-y, mets un like sur mon live, mais je vois que tu... What? On est 13 sur le live. Hey guys, we are 30 on the live. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm Raurii. And today is sport, guys. Thank you for being there. Maru, everybody. Yeah, what? 29 on the live. Nice, nice. Thank you, guys. Do you speak English or vous parlez français? 29 sur le live. Thank you, everybody. You know, my wife say I'm a stranger for her. 47 sur le live, 47 on the live. Maruru, thank you, everybody. I'm Raurii, and today I'm sporting, I'm training, I'm walking 10,000 steps per day, guys. 10,000 steps per day. As you see, the sun is very, very, very hot here in Polynesia, guys. And yeah, 69 personnes sur le live. 69. Thank you for the 69 people in the live, guys. You can, how do you say that? You can like the live and subscribe. Thank you. And guys, yeah, 92 personnes sur le live. Maruru, 92 people on the live, guys. Let me show you something. I find something here in the where I walk. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's a centipede. Very dangerous. The poison here with him is dangerous. He's dead. Can I take him, bro? Is he really dead? Okay. Look at that, guys. A dead centipede. 129 personnes sur le live. Maruru, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Look at that, guys. Let me show you. Sorry, guys. Someone called me. 129 personnes sur le live. 100 people on the live, guys. It's here. You can see here. The teeth, bro. He bites you with that, guys. Be really careful. Alright, guys. Let's walk. Let's walk. If you just came, I said I'm doing a training live, guys, sport live, walking 10,000 steps per day, but since Monday I do 11,000 steps to lose weight for my health and yeah, you know, Thank you for the everybody on the live. 171 people. So cool, guys. You can come on the live, guys. Tell me where you from, guys. Tell me where you from right here, right now. And what time is it? What time is it for you? For me in Polynesia, it's 12 a.m. and 43 minutes. 191 personnes sur le live. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. 191 people on the live. So cool, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna cut the live and I'm gonna continue to training. I was just trying to do some in real life live in Polynesia. So thank you very much. It was Raurii, and subscribe, guys. Come on, I made many shorts and many live. And thank you for the 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, cool. See you, everybody.